Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So last night in the Asian session, all the dollar pairs pushed pretty hard because of an announcement that Trump made. We're back into all-time highs on the Aussie dollar, so Fibonacci extension projected off the last impulsive move. Use the last impulsive move projected off the bottom of the last pullback gives you the best areas of resistance, especially when you're at all-time highs or all-time lows. So we are sitting at a fib level, but the market is definitely up right now. We're making higher lows. There's higher lows the whole way up. And the market flow is definitely up based on the fact that this is a nice engulfing move up. So structure is up and market flow is up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely still should be very bullish. Now this really looks like a 1, a 2, and a big wave 3. So if this is a wave 3, then we're probably in a wave 4 right now. Wave 4 is probably a pullback to the wave 3, probably go down to like the 38% or maybe the 50%, and then it will probably make another wave up for wave 5. So, based on the daily time frame analysis, market flow is up, structure is up. We definitely want to be primarily looking for logs and an uptrend. And, if it makes a wave 4, wave 5, and then bounces from a fib level, goes down and breaks structure, then that's a different story. Then we could become very, very bearish. But we don't want to assume that that's going to happen. It could potentially just keep on trending up on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.